Welcome to Styling My Way. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Design with Emma. Co-hosting is myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, Debbie Bubbles, Being Mel B, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and any other participants will be listed in the description box. The theme is Fall Freestyle. So I'm going to start with these moss-covered pods in this dough bowl that's orange inside. I just thought it looked very fallish with the orange. So I'm going to be adding the wheat floral picks to each end, and then I'll be adding the wheat picks with the moss balls on top, and then orange pumpkins on top of that. So I thought this would turn out really pretty for where I'm going to be decorating. The moss balls were a gift, so I'm not even sure where she purchased it from my daughter. I like the fact that there's different sizes. So I'm just filling the dough bowl with these moss-covered pods. Now the orange pumpkins. And one last pumpkin. So there we go. Doesn't that look nice? Okay, now I'm going to carefully carry it into the guest bedroom where I'll be decorating on top of this table. And there's a lamp on top. And I'm going to be adding this three-tier stand in the middle. Next, I'm going to add this white vase with some greenery in it. I'm going to add it over by the lamp. Okay, next, I'm going to add this really pretty tall black and white vase with some winter sticks in it. Isn't that pretty? So I add that to the other end of the table. Okay, now I'm going to be adding my dough bowl with the moss balls and pumpkins and wheat picks. I'm going to add it to the lowest tier on this tray. I guess you could call it a three-tier tray. And then I'm going to be adding my wooden squirrel holding an acorn to the top tier. So isn't that looking nice so far? Now, if I didn't mention, this is the guest bedroom. And now I'll be adding an acorn to the stand. Next, I have this little hello sign. And I'll just place it near the lamp. And now I have these rectangular shaped cubes. So I'll place those near the lamp as well. And I have 3 of those. And then finally, I have this round orb, and I'll place that at the other end of the table. And I also have a fall wreath here on the wall. That was from Amazon. I have a little owl pillow, my French script chair there with a pillow with my son and grandson on it. and another look at the tabletop, all decorated for fall. So here is the reveal. So if you would, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and hopefully this gave you some suggestions on how maybe you can decorate a tabletop for fall in your home. And I do have two of those French script chairs. This one had a black and white striped pillow on it. And I didn't do anything underneath the table. I left it the same. It's just got the chess board with the chess pieces in a basket and a little Roman vase with some greenery in it and some books. So I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye for now.